if this monitoring event happens then, and the organisation is determined to be low risk by the auditor, can the monitoring event actually replace a scheduled surveillance audit?
Paul, that is correct. So if the outcome of the monitoring event is low risk to the customer or the QMS, then the monitoring can replace the original surveillance manufacturing site audit. There's a couple stipulations. If the next audit is a surveillance audit, the on-site days should be equivalent to the recertification audit days. And then if the next audit is a recertification audit, the on-site audit days should be equivalent to the stage 2 audit days.